Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Werx token. Ticker symbol is WERX. This is from the Uwerx network. Their official webpage is uwerx.network. We're going to go over the information on this token. This token is in pre-sale right now, and we're going to talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says, unlike meme coins and projects with no utility, Uwerx has a clear vision and a solid team behind it, focused on creating a decentralized platform for the global gig economy. By investing in Uwerx, you are investing in a tangible asset that has real-world utility, making it more likely to hold value over the long term. So Uwerx aims to revolutionize and reconceptualize the freelance industry by launching the first global blockchain-powered freelance platform with a host of unique features that will not only disrupt but also transform the traditional freelancing industry. Introducing Uwerx, the innovative and secure blockchain-based freelancing platform that connects talented professionals and clients worldwide. Uwerx aims to revolutionize the freelance industry by launching the first platform that I mentioned there, but also transforming the traditional freelancing industry. One of the key features of Uwerx is its use of blockchain tech, which ensures secure and transparent transactions between freelancers and clients. All payments are made through Uwerx's cryptocurrency, which provides an additional layer of security and transparency. Uwerx is committed to providing a safe and trustworthy platform for freelancers and clients alike. Our platform includes features such as escrow payments, dispute resolution, performance and sign-up incentives, freelancer webinars, and a rating system to ensure that both freelancers and clients have a positive experience. Additionally, Uwerx has a clear roadmap and a dedicated team working towards its goals, which instills confidence in its potential for growth and success. With the gig economy growing rapidly, Uwerx has the potential to disrupt industries and create new markets. So, the token is available in pre-sale right now. If you go over to their official webpage, uwerx.network, right in the top right-hand corner, it says join the pre-sale. In big blue letters there, you click on that. That'll take you over to a sign-up page where you can sign up and join the pre-sale. So if you're looking to get this token, real simple. Now, they do have a Telegram. You can join, ask questions if you want to, join the community. Their Telegram is at Uwerx_network. They have 1,886 members. And they also have a Twitter that I always put up here in the corner of the page so you guys can easily find their Twitter there if you'd like to do that. And they have a full white paper. They have a full audit on their page here. So their Twitter is at Uwerx_network as well. Real easy to find that. You can connect with support on their page if you're having troubles joining the pre-sale. They have a roadmap, media inquiries. Their audits are on here. Yeah, you can check out all their full audits. It'll take you over to a GitHub. They have a little bit of team information, talking about who's on the team there. Frequently asked questions like, what is a pre-sale and what is the purpose of holding a pre-sale? And what are Uwerx's key objectives? And they are to increase trust and security, substantially lower fees for both businesses and freelancers, enable verifiable stored records, disrupt traditional freelance platforms whilst providing tremendous value to both businesses and freelancers. So this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. And it says we built it on the Polygon network. So it's a Polygon Matic token here. They have the contract address on their page. Obviously, you will not be able to just get it off Sushi Swap or whatever because you have the contract address, because it's still in pre-sale. You're going to have to join the pre-sale. And so talks about what payment methods you can use here. It says different cryptocurrency payments, and you can go over to the Invest dashboard to check it out. Let's open that up, see what happens there. So yeah, first you have to sign up. So basically you have to put in an email and then go from there. So I haven't done that yet to get the token, but that's how you would do it. And yeah, so we get the idea. It's a freelancer token. So it has audits by Solid Proof and IntraFi Network. So 2 different audits. You could read the PDFs of those. Now their pre-sale is Uwerx website, social community launch, token smart contract, token audit, marketing campaign, and then pre-sale. Stage 2 is going to be Discord, token burn, so it's a deflationary token, a liquidity pair with wrapped ETH, deploy on Uniswap. So you'll be able to get it on Uniswap eventually. And then CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, more marketing. And then renounce ownership, central exchange listings, begin development of the platform, token burning event, and then release the platform light, more marketing. Stage 4, last phase, is going to be 2024. And then we're going to have more marketing, more audits, release the full Uwerx platform, and then it says development of more smart contracts, so maybe more tokens in the future. Now, how this token is allocated, how it's split up in the tokenomics, it says total supply, first of all, 750 million tokens. 57% of those tokens go to pre-sale, 10% of those go to liquidity reserve, 6.5% user performance incentives, 10% marketing, 7% founding team, 3% partnerships, and 6.5% joining incentives. So it goes over data-driven demand backed by research and studies, and you can check out why they made this project, to what problems they're trying to solve. We pretty much went over in a nutshell what this is already. But it talks about all the advantages. You can check out the full white paper if you want to. And yeah, uwerx.network is their webpage. Check out their Twitter. Check it all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.